One of the biggest secrets to making more money with the TikTok Shop affiliate program is consistently creating viral videos. And a huge key component to a viral video is the hook. You have 3 seconds to grab the audience's attention before they keep scrolling to the next video. So in today's video, I'm going to break down 3 hooks that are going to help you go viral more often, which as a result is going to generate more sales. Let's get into it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Trent Peterson. I've been an affiliate marketer, content creator for the last 7 years. I've generated 7 figures in commissions. And today I'm going to reveal 3 hooks that are going to help you go viral more often, which as a result is going to generate more sales and increase your bank account. So if that sounds good, make sure to subscribe, like the video, drop a comment. I appreciate your support. And let's jump into my screen and break down these 3 hooks that are going to literally skyrocket sales. And before we do that, I just want to highlight a student success story. She is absolutely crushing it with her husband, and they are blowing up when it comes to the TikTok Shop affiliate program. As you can see, they have done $19,000. That is straight profit right to their bank account with TikTok Shop affiliates. And in addition, they did another 11 grand with the Amazon Influencer program. These are our 2 coaching programs where we help literally anyone start from zero. And if you guys want similar results to that, then click the links down below. We have a bunch of free resources and a bunch of guides that are going to help you scale to that next level. Now, with that being said, let's jump into the viral hooks that allowed Shay to generate $19,000 in commissions. So these hooks are the exact hooks that I teach in my coaching programs. So the first hook is do not buy this product. Right here is a screenshot, and we're going to dive into my phone and we'll actually watch the video and kind of break it down. But this thing has 57,000 likes. It has almost 1,000 comments, has almost 13,000 saves, has almost 10,000 shares. And it is exploding. And basically what they're doing is they are saying, do not buy this product because if you do, boom, 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 boom. And they list off all the benefits of what will happen if you buy the product. So you basically start with the negative of like, hey, don't do this. Because if you do, you're going to get these crazy results and you're going to get this and you're going to have to deal with this. And so let's come over here and jump in my screen and actually watch the video.
Do not buy this blanket. This is that viral bedshirt blanket that's all over TikTok Shop right now. My best friend came over. She's supposed to be helping me with orders. She's supposed to be helping me get stuff done. But no, she won't get out of my bed. Are you going to get up and help me?
No, probably not.
Come on.
Buy worse blanket.
Anyways, I just ordered her one right now because they're 30% off. It's like a secret coupon. You have to click on and add it to your cart. It'll come off automatically. But if you have people who love blankets, this is going to make a great Christmas gift.
So it's literally that simple. Do not buy this blanket. And then she went on and just kind of explained the product a little bit. And her friend also did a great job acting. So if you can have like a tandem duo with a friend, a spouse, boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever, brother, sister, it actually makes things a lot better. And the friend or the sister actually did a fantastic job as well. And then at the very end, she also threw in, hey, and also they're running a flash deal. You have to click this link. It's a secret coupon. You add it to cart and it magically appears. There's just little things in this video that you can now take and make it into your own. So again, that is the process. Do not buy this product. And then you can come up with reasons of like what's going to happen and you want them to be good. And in this case, it was like her friend is stealing the blanket and now she's not working because she's so comfortable. And she's like, oh, you need to buy a worse blanket. And then again, at the very end, the call to action is key. So that is the first hook that I want to give you guys. If you can take that video and make it your own, you're setting yourself up to go viral, which is going to skyrocket your commissions. Okay, and diving into the second hook, it says, I am sorry, but someone has to say it, but this blank product is way better than name brands that sell for blank. So as you can see, this video has 252,000 likes. It has 1,200 comments, 56,000 saves, and almost 20,000 shares. And she is literally printing money with this simple, basic video that literally anyone can do. So basically the strategy is to find a product that is a really, really good deal on the TikTok Shop that performs well, and basically have products that are name brands that sell for a ridiculous amount, and you basically compare them. Now, you don't want to go in and drop the names, and you don't want to reveal the logos of the brands because you can actually get a copyright claim, but you can say name brand and price points and basically kind of compare it that way. And I've done this on vacuums, and this is the Omica, and I've done it with the Wyze, and basically we're comparing it to the Dyson, and this strategy literally crushes it. And there's tons of other basically products that you can do this with, like earbuds is another popular one. There's a lot of earbuds on TikTok that are super cheap, but when you compare them to like the name brands that are selling for $200, $300, $500, and you're basically getting the same product, that is the strategy here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come over here to my phone and actually watch the video now.
I'm sorry, but someone has to say it. This vacuum does just as good, if not better, than those $700 vacuums. This is the new souped up Homika vacuum. They made the suction on this one even stronger and the battery life even longer. And of course, I can still vacuum my shag rugs, which is a must in my house. It comes with all the attachments and it even has an adjustable pole so you can put your kids to work if you want. But I'm always cleaning up after a toddler, so the couch attachment is like amazing. And we do not allow Spideys in this house, so they will be removed. The suction on this one is actually so strong that every time I butt it up to my baseboards, it actually suctions to the wall a little bit. So take it from someone who owns one of those big brand name vacuums. I seriously haven't even picked up my other vacuum.
So really good job, really good video. And I was gonna pause it, but I was like, I wanna keep watching. And it was because there was a lot of split cuts, there's a lot of jump cuts. So you had the hook, but then after they had them showing how to vacuum here and vacuuming this and the different use cases and with the kids and with the spiders and with the baseboards and with the fluffy rugs. And then it was just a casual at the very end. This is again, a key component to making videos is you've always have a call to action at the end. And she said, I'll link it down below. And there's times where people are a little bit more aggressive with the call to action. And then there's other people that are less aggressive. And this was kind of that less aggressive approach, but it worked really well and it was super effective. And so basically taking this video and this hook and making it your own, you are again setting yourself up to go viral and it's skyrocketing your commissions. I love this hook. I've used this one probably the most out of any of them, is basically finding products that are really cheap, really high quality, that perform well, and then basically comparing it to the name brand products that are just overpriced, and it's because they have a brand name on it. And so this is a fantastic strategy, and you can do this with a number of products and categories. I mean, the list goes on. So definitely utilize this hook number 2. Okay, and jumping into the third hook, it says, condolences for those who bought this product before today because it's now on a flash sale. And again, over here has 227,000 likes, 1,000 comments, 61,000 saves, and 24,000 shares. And it has 16.9 million views. And basically the strategy here is just like, hey, sorry, this is now on flash sale. People paid $30 and now you can get it for $15. And again, it's a very, very simple hook, but it works very well. So let's come over here and actually watch it and see what this creator actually did to generate, as you can see, 16.9 million views. So right here, we'll watch it.
My condolences to those that bought this mini projector before today because it's now on flash sale. As you can see, I've tested out basically all of the mini projectors I can get my hands on, and this one is by far the best in my opinion. First off, the screen size is adjustable all the way up to 130 inches, and you can adjust the shape and size to whatever you need. In addition, it comes with all these apps pre-installed, plus there's a full app store to add more, and it has Bluetooth connectivity if you want to connect headphones or an external speaker. A lot of people ask how I get it to look so bright and clear, and the answer is honestly that while these mini projectors look the same, there's different brands, and this one I've linked to the video is by far the best in terms of brightness and picture quality. Also, for the gamers that are watching, there's an HDMI port so you can connect any gaming system you want to play your favorite games, which I also do sometimes. In addition to that, there's a USB and aux outlet for any devices, and it does have screen mirror compatibility for those that are interested in that. It had free shipping and free returns, which I was planning to do if it was low quality, but it's safe to say that I think I found the one. So for the people that are interested, I'll leave a link down below, so if you still see it at that sale price and want one, feel free to grab one before they sell out again.
All right, so you guys are seeing a consistent common theme. We've got the hook, and the hooks are super important because that's what's grabbing them in. And all of these hooks are super effective when it comes to that. But then after, they go through and they show all of the benefits, all of the features, and why somebody should buy it. And right here, he did a fantastic job explaining of like, hey, for gamers this, for this, you can zoom in and you can crop this and the clear quality. And I've compared it and I've bought other ones. And it's really like, oh, wow, like this is like the best one ever. And he's obviously telling you because he wants you to buy the product, and it could be the best one. And that's obviously another kind of key kind of side note is you do want to find the best products. And that's why when I come to do product research and finding the best products, which I have a whole nother video breaking this down, that is one thing that I'm looking at is the reviews and how many units have been sold. Because if they have good reviews and they've sold a lot, then more than likely it's a good quality product and it is naturally easy to sell. And then at the very end, they were very clever and they had the little arrows pointing at the shop link. And then they said, oh, click this. And if it's still on sale, you can pick it up. It's a really good deal. Click this link. So every single one that we just watched that have, we're talking 1 million plus views on each of them and hundreds of thousands of likes, and they're crushing it, all have that common theme. They've got a good hook. They then tell kind of the story and show the benefits and why the product is the best. And at the very end, they have the call to action. If you can replicate that model into your TikTok Shop affiliate videos, you are literally going to start printing money and you're going to see a lot more success. So that is the third hook. And again, you guys need to take advantage of them. And what I'm going to do is give you guys additional resources to help you skyrocket your commissions, because I want you to succeed. Having my students make $19,000 literally makes me fulfilled. And so right here, I'm going to give you guys 10 viral hooks completely free. I'll put the link down below. All you guys need to do is enter your email. I will send them directly to you and you will get additional hooks just like the ones that we broke down. And you guys can take these hooks and use them in your videos to skyrocket those commissions. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Click the links down below with all of the resources. They'll be in the description. And I just want to say thank you for watching. And if you guys enjoyed, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and we'll see you in the next one.